Hello everybody, this is our Holypills app. So you can download this app from Apple Store as well as from Play Store. So if you are new user, you have to go for the sign up option. You will have two options for sign in. So there is one email option and there is one phone option. So what I'll do is I'll log in through my phone number. And here I'll get one OTP in my phone. Yes, so now my OTP is verified and this is my account. Here you have to put your name, your email address, and your password. Now you have to choose your date of birth. Let's say this is my date of birth, my blood group, my height and my current weight. So now I have this tracker. So now I'll tell you how you can use this tracker. So now we'll show you how you can use your PCOS tracker. This tracker we have built so that you can track your health, how is your health status every day. So here what you have to do is you have to enter your last cycle length. Let's say 5. Then you have to set submit and then which date was that? So maybe say October 24. Start. Then how was your blood flow? It was medium. Any symptoms you had like abdominal cramps, tender breast, bloating, headache, acne, you can select from all the symptoms which are there, and then you have to rate your pain based on your severity. So let's say mine is 8 and then I have to go for 7 next. Now it will ask for your weight and height. Save and next. Now how did you feel overall today? Let's say irritable. Then 7 next. Are you taking any medication? If you are taking, then you can add here. As I'm not taking any medication, I'll go for the skip button. And now this is my health tracker. So now it will show you your graph. Once you will start adding it, all the information day wise, let's say we have added for only November, you can add for December also. So accordingly it will show you your graph. It will create a graph and then it will be very easy for you to see what is your status throughout the month, throughout the year. Same we can do with the endometriosis. So here also you have to add your last length cycle, which is 5, and then submit. And you have to go for start with the chosen date. So 24th I have started, is medium. You can select all the symptoms you had and you can rate your pain severity and save and next. It will ask for all your details like weight and height. So let's say I have this anyways, and then 7 next. How you feel overall, 7 next. Medication if you are taking you can add or else you can skip. So now see, this is our tracker. You can track your endometriosis status, your monthly cycle through this tracker. So now we'll go for the menopause. So in menopause, you will see one add button here. You have to click that, and then it will ask everything about menopause. Whatever the health situation you are facing in menopause, it will ask all those details. First, as we'll go for November 24, and then it will ask me on November 24 how many hot flashes did I experience. So let's say 6. Then all the symptoms you can add: hot flashes, night sweat, weight gain, fatigue, headache, and then 7 next. How did you feel overall today? Let's say irritable. 7 next. How was your sleep quality? Maybe mine is very poor, so I can go for poor or fair, whatever. You can change it. How many hours of sleep you had last night? So I had very poor sleep, which was 3 hours. So I'll go for 3 hours and then I'll save and next. In menopause, one option we had is that we can add date by date. So as we have already done for 24, we can still add for 23rd. Same, all the details you have to fill. Go for save and next. And then it will create one graph according to your health status, like how many night sweat, weight gain. So see, all details are coming here. So for hot flashes, last 7 days data it will show you. How was your mood? It will show you the graph. How was your sleep quality? As we have already added for Monday and Sunday, it is showing like this. So if it will vary, it will create a proper graph. And according to your graph, it will also show you one personalized recommendation. In personalized recommendation, you will have 2 options. One is tips and one is exercise. Now we'll go for the postpartum depression. So here in postpartum depression, let's say we'll go for the October month. You can change it from here. Let's say we are going for October 25th. So in October 25th, how was your energy level? So mine was very low. So I would go for 2. 7 next. And what and all experience, anxiety triggers, what and all anxiety triggers you had, you can choose. Let's say crying baby, body image concern, baby concern, loneliness, financial stress, and now you can go for 7 next. And how was your feeling? So maybe depressed. 7 next. How is your sleep quality? Fair, good, poor. You can select accordingly and then 7 next. That is for 1. So we'll go for 2. Now we'll go for November 22nd. How was your energy level? Let's say 3. 7 next. Your anxiety triggers. You have selected your anxiety triggers. You have to go for 7 next. Your overall feeling, 7 next. Your sleep quality, how many hours you have selected, and then you can go here and now you can see this is, it will show you one graph for how long. So if you do for 1 week, it will show you for 1 week's graph for how was your sleep quality, like your mood graph, your energy level graph. It will show you everything. So you can also go for 1 week, 1 month. You will get a proper idea of your body status. Now we can go for the personal recommendation. In personal recommendation, it will show you your tips, what and all tips you should follow, and also exercise, what and all exercise you can do. So this is how our trackers work. After you open your Holypills app, you just have to scroll a little down, and then you will get one option of book a consultation. So here, after clicking book a consultation, you will get two options. One is book an initial consultation and another one is view health plans. So first we will go for initial consultation. Here it will ask you about your health issue. So now I am dealing with PCOS. So I'll just write PCOS, and then it will ask you when did the issue start. So mine is a week ago. And also there is one option of upload your reports. Let's say you have one blood report, or if you already have consulted in doctor, you can add their prescription here, and then you can click on continue. Now it will show you all our doctors portal. Let's say I want to book consultation of Dr. Kathodia. So I'll choose her and then I'll go for continue. And now it will show three options. One, initial consultation. Second is follow-up consultation, and third is emergency consultation. First time you are consulting with Dr. Kathodia, you have to choose initial consultation. If this is your follow-up consultation, you can choose follow-up. And let's say you have emergency situation, you can choose the emergency consultation too. If you choose emergency consultation, our doctors will immediately contact you, will schedule your consultation and give you every help from our side. So now I'll choose follow-up consultation and I'll go for continue. Now in November 27, I want Dr. Kathodia's consultation on 2 p.m. So I have chosen 2 p.m. and now I'll go for the continue. And now it will show you every details with how much money you have to pay. After this, you can just click to proceed to pay. After you click proceed to pay, it will show you all the options available for payment. You can just now click continue and make the payment, and you can have a slot with Dr. Kathodia for your consultation. Here you will also get another option of health plans. You have to click here on health plans, and then it will show you one page like this. You can click here, explore plans, and now you can see all of our health plans available. Let's say you want to choose homeopathy essential. What it means for duration? Duration 1 month. Consultation plus medication plus delivery means you can have one consultation, and medication and delivery will also be under the package of 4,200. If you want to buy this plan, you just have to click here to buy this plan. Like that, we have 3 more options. One, homeopathy advance. This one was for 1 month. This advance one is for 3 months. So for 3 months, you can avail this all consultation, medication and delivery under the rupees of 12,000. If you want to buy this plan, you have to click here and do the payment and buy this plan. Like that, we also have one option of nutrition. Duration of this plan is 3 months. Under this plan, you can book 4 consultations, and to buy this plan, you have to pay 4,500, and you can just click here to buy this plan. And also we have fitness plan for 3 months, and for this you will get consultation, medication and medication delivery under the rupees of 4,500, and you just have to click here to buy this plan. So all 4 plans we have. You can choose any of the plans which you like.